sir, coming on to SPM, what is your take on SPM?
See, sir, SPM also
Hmm.
largely, if say sums wise, for example, SPM, we have sums only from that maxima minima
Enterprise
things.
risk correct. Economic efficiency and enterprise
Yes,
risk management. Z score will come
Z
and
score. Yes,
economic efficiency will come. Two question practical will definitely come.
will definitely come, and these two are exactly same as what we have done in our old syllabus also.
Correct.
So specifically for the students who have converted themselves from old to new or are giving in new and have got the old classes, so you
Correct.
should do all the practicals from your chapter 4 risk management, enterprise risk management, which is the Z score questions, and you should also do all the questions of your economic efficiency chapter, which is related to your
Correct.
calculus. If you do
Correct.
these two are definitely going to come. All right. Although
100%.
in every chapter, 1122 paragraph or pages are there, which are comprising of new concepts, and
Correct.
those new concepts are quite sir. I will say conceptual. If one have studied just once, they'll be able to cope up with it. So
Correct.
I think
Very true.
very few, like in first chapter, there are two new units, which is just two pages. In chapter 2, there are just a few pages again inserted. But there are some things which I would like to point here, like for say balance scorecard, for supply chain management, for CRMs, customer relationship management, for MIS. So institute has added some points in every aspect. In balance
Correct.
scorecard, they have changed some points. In CRM, they have changed the points. In MIS, they have changed the points. So the question comes like whether we have to study the new points or we can write by our own.
Correct.
So what is your take on this, sir?
Sir, I think it is just a matter of rephrasing or rewording the entire
Yes,
concept. So,
yes,
suppose
yes.
supply chain management is there, it will remain supply chain management only, or balance
Exactly.
scorecard is there. It will have those four, five elements only which is required to be looked at by the organization. Changing the
Yes,
words might not be significant.
yes, yes. So if words have changed, that doesn't mean that you have to study it all over again. You can just go through and
Yes.
see whether the meaning is same or not. And you're always allowed to write your own words. Just highlight the key things.
Correct.
Like key things are not going to change, na. For example,
Correct.
in say balance scorecard, if there are four perspectives, then those four perspectives are always going to remain same. So if
Correct.
internal description has changed a little bit, that should not be a cause of worry. Although there are some in between 1 2 extra units, if you have not
Hmm.
studied before, you might not be able to answer it. But
Correct.
interestingly, in our model question bank, there is no questions related to those extra things. However,
Correct.
we
Correct.
can hedge
Hmm.
ourselves. However, we can hedge ourselves by reading those extra things, and we should not worry about the things that are same but in different wordings.
Correct.